In this video, I'm going to show you how to chat with your PDF using Perplexity AI. So assuming I have my PDF document, I've just uploaded it using this feature. I've uploaded the PDF document here and I'm going to ask a question. It's just a journal paper. Can you summarize the content paper and give me 3 major takeaways? Okay, so that's the question. I'm going to go ahead and hit on enter and take a look at the one that it is reading the attached document. Certainly has a summary and it has given me the summary completely, and then the paper evaluates this very key detailed summary from the paper. And then over here you can see the 3 major takeaways. Participatory model addresses accessibility and engagement gaps. 5 key qualities for effective participatory models. And we have this one: no one size fits all. Technique selection depends on local context. So this is the wonders of Perplexity AI. Okay, so mind you, Perplexity is not a free tool. You have to pay for it if you want to use it for a longer time. But for testing, it's allowed. You can enjoy the usage. And you can ask follow-up questions from here as well if you're interested. For example, can you explain figure 1 in the paper? And you can see the explanation it has given on figure 1 directly: spectrum and participation, technical complexity versus accessibility, and so on. So much explanation as regards the content of the figure 1. Okay, and then you have the option to either share this, export, or write it if you want to, or you can copy it directly, or you can come to this three dot and view the source and report or delete something very easily. And you can see this is source 1. Images, if you want to check the images related to this, you can do that as well. So if you found this helpful, please leave a like.